everyone. Today we are here to show you our mini project.
The gesture controlled smart lamp.
It is an innovative solution to make it more user friendly, convenient, and to have a better lighting solution.
So imagine, you've come home after a long day of work, really tired, have sunk into bed to sleep, only to realize that you've left the light on. Getting up feels like a chore, doesn't it?
Planning for a romantic dinner today, but the overhead light dims your mood down. Do we have a solution?
Living in a hostel, deadlines tomorrow, working late, have a drawing assignment, but the brightness does not reach the paper. Is there a solution?
Just swipe your hand and you are in control.
Our smart lamp lets you adjust your brightness using simple gestures.
No stretching, no switches, just smooth operation. Because we believe
Your comfort is our satisfaction.
it consists of many components such as Arduino UNO, battery, LED, servo motor, breadboard, and a resistance. And all this is connected using wires. The work of Arduino is to transfer the program to physically be able for LED to do the functions which it needs to be. Arduino UNO has many pins in which we have used a few such as ground, output pins D5, D9 and 5 volt. Ground is connected to every other component. D5 and D9 output pins are connected to MOSFET and servo motor, and a 5 volt pin is connected to servo motor. The use of servo motor is to rotate the LED by 180 degrees. The MOSFET is used for voltage regulation, and another resistance is added to avoid the entire transfer of 9 volt from battery to LED, which will damage it and hence destroy the LED. Hence only 3 volt is applied using the resistance, which helps in protection of LED and sufficient use. Thank you.
So now we will be discussing the code of our project. The code has two components, the Python component and the Arduino IDE component. The Python component acts as a sensor to take input of gestures and transmit it to the Arduino component. It does this using OpenCV and MediaPipe through the webcam of our laptop. It tracks our hand, knuckles and fingers to detect various gestures. For example, 4 fingers up is the up gesture and 4 fingers down is the down gesture. It transmits a data value for each gesture to our Arduino IDE code. This code takes in the gestures, inputs, and then processes them to make certain changes in the project itself. For example, the right-left sensor, right-left gesture would rotate our servo motor, and up-down gesture would change the brightness of our LED. During the ideation phase of this, we noticed that the on-off gesture, which is the V gesture, was taken in many times in a short span of period. So for this, to avoid this, we tweaked the Arduino code to make it so that only a singular on-off gesture was taken in per 5 seconds. This prevented the flickering of our LED when we only wanted to turn it on or off. As well as we added a delay in the rotation of the servo motor to make it rotate a bit slower, as well as change the rate of the LED brightness control to make it so that many gesture inputs would be needed to reach the maximum brightness.
We have previously discussed the components of our mini project. Now we have done the setup by connecting the Arduino board to the laptop in which the code is stored. Now let's have a look how the mini project works. So gesture V turns the light off, also it turns the light on. Now if we do the up gesture, the brightness increases, and if we do the down gesture, the brightness decreases, and subsequently the bulb will turn off. And if we do the left gesture, the bulb rotates left, same goes for the right.